I finally managed to fly my drone Mavic 4 Pro and film the cruiser on the Firth of Forth. Behind me here, the Forth Bridge, the Forth Road Bridge, and the Queensferry crossing, the 3 bridges. But the most importantly, I've managed to film the cruise liner, which is over there. Also, I can tell you right now, there's a comparison coming between the 2 sets of filters from Polar Pro for the Mavic 4 Pro. The Shutter Edition, which is ND filters, and the Vivid Edition, which are ND filters with polarization. So stay tuned, as I'm going to publish some comparison videos quite soon, as I'm coming back to YouTube. And for now, enjoy the view. I hope you liked the video. I'm absolutely stoked. I'm buzzing. I finally managed to fly a drone and film the cruise liner here. I wanted to do it for such a long time, but whenever I was passing the bridge on the way home, or the wind was too strong, or there's no ship, excuse me. But finally today, I've managed to film it, and hopefully you've enjoyed this short episode. The comparison of the 2 filters, as I said before, it's coming soon. So what? Ask questions. If you have any questions about the filters, about the drone, about flying here in Scotland, just drop the comment in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a like. It always gives the boost to the algorithm. And remember to subscribe to never miss a future videos. Right. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!